Hi, this is Dedi Sadagori. We're going to do lesson number 1, which is drawing 1 from the engineering drawing folder. This is drawing number 1. As you can see, this is symmetrical model, so we're going to use dynamic mirror to make it faster. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the next screen, and then we're going to do SolidWorks. I'm going to start with the front plane, and then I'm going to start sketching on the front plane. I'm going to start with 2 circles from the origin, and then I'm gonna draw a center line. Click the drop down box here, you can see the center line, click on it, and then select the origin and make sure it's vertical, and then I'm gonna hit escape to finish or exit from the center line mode. I'm gonna select tools, sketch tools, and I'm gonna turn on the dynamic mirror to make it symmetrical. Dynamic mirror, I'm gonna select the center line. So now you can see the 2 equal signs on my center line. It means my dynamic mirror is active. So every time I draw on the right side, SolidWorks will automatically put on the left side. Now I'm going to draw a line from the quadrant here. See that? Draw on the right side, and then SolidWorks will put on the left side. I'm going to select the end all the way. Don't worry, just hit OK here and hit escape because we're done with the line over here. I'm going to draw another line from this quadrant to this quadrant. Hit OK and hit escape. Now we have that one right here, but we see there is a problem here. Okay, this one should not be there. So I'm going to delete that tangent relations, delete it. Now I'm going to trim using the power trim. So you just need to hold your left button on your mouse and you can drag it, and every time you touch a line it will delete it. That's the power trim. Now I'm going to undo that. I can also use the trim to closest. If you click on that line, and then it's going to get rid of it. Okay, hit escape. Now I'm going to start putting the dimension. When you put the dimensions, make sure you put it on the longest one. So I'm going to smart dimension, select this bottom line. I'm going to put 80, and then I'm going to select this line to the line on the top. This is 40, and I'm going to follow what we see on the PDF file. To select the 2 lines is going to give me the angular dimension, and then this one is radius 10, and then from this line to this line is 40. You can see from the top view, and also here you can just drag your mouse and it can give you what we call the angular dimension like this, or vertical dimensions, or horizontal dimensions. What it looking for is horizontal dimension. I'm going to click on it and then put the 10 over here. So as you can see, everything is fully defined. It is determined by the black lines on my sketch, and there is no negative sign in front of my sketch, and also it says on my status bar here is fully defined. So there is one dot here, blue dot is actually just a center line. You can just drag it, and I can snap it to the midpoint in here to make it black. Okay, so I consider my sketch done when I have a fully defined sketch. Now I'm going to turn this 2D sketch into a 3D model using the features. So I'm going to extrude boss it, and now I can select the contour. See, I have some contour here. I can select this and this. So as you can see, this is 40 millimeter thickness. Hit OK. Once you extrude it, as you can see, my sketch is disappear. It's not disappear, it's just hidden underneath the feature, because the feature always based on a sketch. You just need to click this triangle, and then your sketch is appear again over here. I'm going to click that sketch. I'm going to extrude it again. So select that sketch, extrude it again. I'm going to select another contour, which is this one right here and this one right here. Now we know this one is 30. I'm going to hit OK. So I'm done with my lesson number 1. And then you can go to Evaluation tab, go to Mesh Properties, so you can see the properties, mass, volume, surface area, or center mass of the model you built. Okay, thank you.